Dear little learners, hope you are well. My today's lecture is about the subject science of class 6 for the English version students. What does science mean? Science is a subject which is intellectual and practical activity, a systematic study of things. This is called science. Nowadays, we see the flourishment of science everywhere. In our daily life, we take the help of science and technology. My today's topic is chapter 1, scientific process and measurement. I am reading from text and discussing it. We are to find out the answers to various questions in our daily life. In our daily life, there are various types of questions which we have to answer. We often need to answer questions such as what is your height, what is your weight, what is the time now, or what is the temperature today. This type of questions we have to answer every day in our daily life. In order to answer these questions, measurements of height, weight, time and temperature are vital. Vital means essential, necessary, crucial. What is temperature? Temperature means heat, weather condition, physical condition, etc. So, you can know about this topic. We have to answer various types of questions in our daily life about measurement. Measurement means quantification, calculation. Measure means quantify. We have to quantify every day in our daily life. What is your height? What is your weight? What is the time now? What is the temperature today? So, we can find the answers after measuring things. We are dependent on such measurements in our day-to-day life. We are dependent in our day-to-day life on such measurements. We have to measure many things in our daily life. Actually, we can quantify things through measurements. Without measurement, we cannot quantify things. We have to quantify things after measurement. Now your text says, what is measurement? Measurement is the process of determining the ratio of a physical quantity. Physical quantity means which are seen, which are countable, which have physical existence. So, measurement is the process of determine mean to fix, to find answer, the ratio of a physical quantity. We are familiar with various forms of measuring things in different situations of our life. Here dependent means contingent or determined by requiring support of something. Depend means rely. To depend means to rely on something. Physical quantity. What is physical quantity? Physical quantity means physical property of a material or system that can be measured, how much, how far, etc. So, measurement is the process of determining the ratio of a physical quantity. We are familiar with various forms of measuring things in different situations of our life. We have to measure different things, length, weight, time, etc. So, we use various forms of measuring things, that is a thermometer, a meter scale or a measuring tape, etc. For example, we have to depend on measurements while buying rice or cooking oil from the grocers or putting orders to our tailors for making clothes. When we buy some things, rice, wheat or cooking oil from the grocers. What is grocers? Grocers is a person who sells food and small household goods. So when we purchase oil or rice or wheat from a grocers, we have to measure. We have to measure its weight, its amount, or we have to measure when putting orders to our tailors for making clothes. When we give an order to our tailors, we have to give different types of measures for our clothes. Now some meaning. Science means intellectual and practical activity, systematic study of things. Process means procedure, activity, task, system. Measurement means quantification, calculation. Measure means quantify. Various means many, numerous, different. Often or often means frequently, repeatedly, again and again. Height means the measurement of someone or something from head to foot. Temperature means heat, weather condition, physical condition, etc. Vital means essential, necessary, crucial. Dependent means contingent or determined by, requiring support of something. Depend means rely. Physical quantity means physical property of a material or system that can be measured. How much, how far, etc. Forms means types. Different forms means different types, shapes, structure. Grocers means who sells food and small household goods. Perhaps you could realize this part. Thank you.